Alright guys, maybe some of you guys don't know what a Swiss Army knife is or never really owned one. I'm just going to show you. This is an old one. I don't know what year, but it's really old. My dad had this, and he's like 50 or something like that. So in a Swiss Army knife there's a blade, I guess like a nail filer. I don't know really what that is, but I'll show you the texture on it. Okay. These are made for survival purposes. It's really small. Right there. Oh, sorry. What the hell? I guess I can't get it. Let me try. Alright, well, it says, Victoria, Switzerland stainless steel. Okay. And those just fold into this. Right here are scissors. Alright. It's really simple, not complicated. It's just a spring or a bobby pin right there. Blade goes down on it, cuts. And here, tweezers. Oops. Tweezers. Just plain little tweezers, you know, nothing special. On this side, it's a toothpick. Now, I've never used this because this used to be my dad's, but I'm sure he used to use this. And right here's a little, I guess, pocket. You know, I don't know what these things are called, but yeah. Now I'll do a size comparison. Okay, really small, and with the blade out, now with the scissors out too. So again, it's really small. They're, I guess, mainly for everyday carry or Boy Scouts or something like that. They make newer, updated models with more stuff in them. This is just a simple old one. And so, for any of you that don't know what a Swiss Army knife is, there you go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.